Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I shall teach you multiplication tables above 10 by 10 and up to 20 by 20. So when I speak with many students, they say that it is very difficult for them to remember the tables above 10 by 10. But I can guarantee you, just listen to me this video carefully and just do practice for 1 hour. I can guarantee you that you can learn the multiplication table up to 20 by 20 with ease. And even as a math teacher, if I analyze the reason behind the students who are afraid of math or who think that they are not good in math or weak in math, is that they are not good in calculations. Simple reason is 90% of the time when you are solving a question, you spend time on doing the calculation. So if you are not good in calculations, you lose time and fall behind the other students in the class, and finally you lose confidence in math and you feel that you are not good in math. So my major motive behind making these videos is to help the students to improve their confidence and to help them to do faster calculations. So just listen to me this video. I can teach you how to do multiplication tables up to 20 by 20 with very ease. And even I also see that many teachers, mainly incompetent teachers, and even the parents I see, they say that they do a lot of damage by actually asking students just to learn the tables by multiplication by heart. That is not good. It is more important for the students to understand the pattern behind the multiplication table and then to memorize them and form certain models. So in this video I am going to teach you some certain model which I want you to understand the logic and apply it. Then it becomes so easy for us to remember the tables up to 20 by 20. So let us start how to do multiplication tables 10 by 20 by 20 above 10 by 10. If I ask you to multiply 12 by 11, so I know that you do 2 times 1 something which we don't want. See how I am going to do this. What is 12 plus 1? 12 plus 1 is 13. So write 130. What is 2 into 1? 2. So 12 into 11 is 132. So simple. Let me repeat. If I want to do multiplications above 10 by 10 and up to 20 by 20, you can follow this logic so that you can do questions quicker, very fast, without pen and paper, and you save a lot of time. If I want to multiply 12 by 11, how do you do 12 by 11? So 12 plus 1 is 13. So I write 130. 2 into 1 is 2. So 130 plus 2 is 132. How does this work? Okay, let me explain you with a different number. Suppose I would like to multiply 16 into 17. According to our logic, it is 16 plus 7. What is 16 plus 7? 230. 23, which is 230. What is 6 sevens are? 42. So 230 plus 42 is 272. So simple. How does this work? What is the logic behind this? See, 16 into 17. I can write 16 as 10 plus 6 and 17 as 10 plus 7. We know that 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 7 is 70, 6 times 10 is 60, and 6 into 7 is 42. So 100 plus 70 is 170, 170 plus 60 is 230. So since I am multiplying with tens, you get the same number, that is 17 plus 6. This are 16. You can also take 160 plus 70, which is 16 plus 7, which is 230. Then I just need to multiply 6 into 7, which is our 42. So 230 plus 42 is 272. Let me do more questions and practice with me. I am sure and you practice daily for 10 minutes just for 5 days. In 50 minutes I can assure you that you will be very good in multiplication tables up to 20 by 20 through logic. Let us do more questions. I would like to multiply 19 times 14. 19 plus 14 is 230. 23, which is 230. 9 4s are 36. So 230 plus 36 is 266. Initially should be in a position to do with pen and paper, but if you practice, I can assure you that even without pen and paper, comfortably you can do the logic in your brain. See, 17 times 18. If I want to do this without pen and paper, what is 17 plus 8? 25. So that is 250. What is 7 into 8? 56. 250 plus 56 is 306. So 17 times 18 is 306. Good. Now 19 times 18. 19 plus 18 is 19 plus 8 is 27, that is 270. 9 8 is 72. 270 plus 72 is 342. Other example, 14 into 12. Yeah, please stop this video for a second and you work on your own. 14 plus 2 is 16, so it is 160. 4 into 2 is 8, so 168. Now let us work fast. 17 into 16 without pen and paper. 17 plus 6, 230, 7 6 42, so 272. 18 into 12. 18 plus 2 is 20, 200. 80 to 2 is 16, 200 plus 16 is 216. So if you can practice, you become more faster than me. You can do very fast in seconds and no need to remember anything. Simple. 18 plus 2, 200. 18 to 2, 16. 200 plus 16, 216. But without practice, you cannot expect that you can do wonders. But if you practice, definitely you can do wonders. So now try to do these questions. 17 into 12. 17 plus 2 is 19. 190. 2 into 7 is 14. 190 plus 14, 204. 17 plus 2 is 19. So 190. 7 into 2 is 14. So 190 plus 14, which is 204. Next, 18 into 15. 18 plus 5 is 23. 230. 8 into 5 is 40. 230 plus 40 is 270. So simple. So now we'll do only without pen and paper. Please keep your pen and paper aside. Just use your brains. 19 into 13. 19 plus 3 is 22. 220. 9 3s are 27. 220 plus 27. 247. You might be more uncomfortable if I am so fast. But you please practice. You'll be very comfortable and you'll be very happy. Next. 17 into 14. 17 plus 4 is 21. 210. 7 4s are 28. 210 plus 28. 238. 18 into 12. 18 plus 2 is 20. 8 2s are 16. 200 plus 16. 216. 12 into 19. 12 plus 9 is 21. Or 19 plus 2 is 21. You can do either way, which is 210. 9 2s are 18. 210 plus 18. 228. 13 into 17. 13 plus 7 is 200. 20, which is 200. 3 7s are 21. 200 plus 21. 221. There are many advantages if you are fast in calculations. You can solve questions quicker. You will not make any silly mistake or the careless mistakes. You will get confidence in math. You will enjoy doing math, I am sure. Be fast in calculations. In my future videos, I am going to come up with many more strategies. So please make sure that you do learn them. You will be very fast. You should be good at the basic calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. In percentages, finding the percentage of a number. In fractions and decimals. I am going to come up with strategies for each and everything. I expect you to learn those. You definitely become a very good student. 19 into 12. 19 plus 2 is 221, which is 210. 9 2s are 18. 210 plus 18, which is 228. Next question. It is 13 into 17. 13 plus 7 is 20. Plus 3 into 7 is 21. 221. 17. 17 into 18. 17 plus 18 is 225, which is 250. 7 8 are 56. 250 plus 56, 306. Let me do the last question. 16 into 18, 16 plus 80 is 240, 6 into 4 is 6 into 80 is 48, 240 plus 48, 288. I hope definitely you might have enjoyed this lesson. So if you like this lesson, please like it, and please do subscribe to this video so that whenever I make up any videos, you will not miss any videos from my side. And definitely I'll assure you, I'll do my best to come up with the videos to help you in math, to make you interested. If you have any comments, you can post your comments too.